Namaste. So today we will learn about full-time traveling. Is that possible? Yes. You will tell us about your journey? Yes. Your struggles and achievements? Yes. But during a lockdown? Yes, because I think right now people have ample amount of time to achieve their dreams. But won't that look too braggy? No, I'm not bragging. It is possible. Traveling can be your job. अगर आप ढंग से करो, आप उससे कमा भी सकते हो. I am Radhika and I'm a travel blogger and this is what I do for a living. So as you can see from my mediocre background, मैं पैसे वाली नहीं हूँ. I do not have lot of money. मैं middle class family से हूँ. मेरे पापा chemist हैं. But over the period of time, I have figured out ways to make my business online, to set up a community, and to make traveling a sustainable and profitable profession. So according to me, 4 चीजें चाहिए इसके लिए. Burning passion, commitment, sacrifices, and a lot of hard work. And trust me, initially ये बात बहुत scary लगेगा. It will be intimidating. Everything will be overwhelming. But now, right now, I can actually travel with my eyes closed. Not literally, but you know what I mean. And this entire path was not given to me. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ exist करता है. In fact, not me itself. बहुत सारे out there, the bloggers, Instagrammers, YouTubers जिन्हें आप follow करते हो, उन्हें नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ exist करता है. They paved their own path and they are where they are right now. Believe it or not, I was not always an influencer or an Instagrammer or a YouTuber or a content creator. I worked for 3.5 years traveling full time करने से पहले और मैं job के साथ साथ भी travel कर रही थी weekends पे. बस अब ज़्यादा extensive हो गया because now the entire time is just mine, no one else's, and that is why I travel so much. पर मैं जॉब के साथ साथ पहले भी ट्रैवल कर रही थी. नंबर 1, टेक इट स्लो. अगर आप फुल टाइम ट्रैवल कर सकते हो या नहीं, उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहला कदम तो लेना पड़ेगा. वो है आपको पहली अपनी ट्रिप पे जाना ही पड़ेगा. आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि डू यू रियली प्रेफर स्टेइंग आउटसाइड योर कंफर्टेबल जोन, because most of the people are not. They see the pictures and they think कि ये उनके लिए ड्रीम जॉब है. They want to see the places. But when it comes to real life scenarios, when the troubles are there on the road, where you do not have fixed hours, when you don't know what the next day looks like, when you don't know if the work will come in, what are your sleeping hours, where will you eat, so it drains you out both physically and mentally, and trust me, it's not everyone's cup of tea. So my advice, if you are just starting off, is to start slowly. First go on your trips, at least do 10 trips, and then decide whether this thing is really or not your cup of tea. Traveling cheaply is very exciting. In fact, starting में the entire journey is so exciting. It's all about meeting new people, exploring new places, so many things to do, so many things to see. Initially, it's that curiosity to explore, to see new places, which really guides you to travel. So if you do not have that much money, अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा savings नहीं है, जो मेरे पास एक time पे नहीं थी, it's not bad to travel cheaply. The world outside is so exciting and all you have to do is save a little and just go out. Initially, जब मेरे पास savings कम थी, मेरा मेन एम था कि मैं उतने मिनिमम बजट में अपना टाइम कैसे स्ट्रेच आउट कर सकूं, हाउ आई कैन एक्सप्लोर मोर इन दैट लिमिटेड सेविंग्स दैट आई हैड. फ्यू ऑफ द टिप्स दैट आई कैन गिव यू इज डू काउच सर्फिंग, ट्रैवल बाय लोकल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, don't eat so much into your savings, and if you are a content creator already, आपके लिए तो और भी easy है because you can reach out to the hotels, you can reach out to so many companies, you can do barters, you can actually ask people कि hey, I can provide you this service in return if it is possible to stay at your place for 2 to 3 days, and it is not bad to do that. How you can exhaust your money and stretch your time in that limited money is what it is about, how you can travel cheaply. And once you're settled in this profession, then why not? Enjoy all the luxuries. Stay in 5-star fancy hotels. वो आपको खुद ही बुलाएंगे actually वहाँ रहने के लिए. So traveling cheaply is not bad. It's really exciting. Coming to the income or revenue streams, कि ऐसी कौन-कौन सी job है जिससे आप travel कर सकते हो. No, I mean not literally. What I mean is learn new skills. तो जब मैंने जॉब छोड़ी थी, ये मेरा बैकअप प्लान था. अगर एज अ ब्लॉगर, एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर ये फील्ड नहीं चलता, तो ये मेरा बैकअप प्लान था कि आई विल लर्न a few skills. I will learn surfing and then teach people and earn money. I will learn skiing and then teach people and earn money. In fact, मैं ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों से मिली हूँ रोड पे जो ये करते हैं. They are skiers, वो पार्ट टाइम स्की सिखाते हैं, save money out of that, and then बाकी महीने they just travel. So they are having best of both the worlds. They are doing adventure activities and getting better and better every month, and rest of the months they are just traveling. So you can do that as well. Develop your skills in something you are passionate about. It is not just surfing and skiing that you want to limit yourself to. This was my second step after leaving job. I was actually editing videos for others. I was writing articles. मैं research work कर रही थी क्योंकि मेरा background research related है, business research analyst मैं पहले थी. I was on Fiverr, I was on Upwork, I was on Freelancer. There are several freelancing websites जहाँ पे आप जाके अपना काम दिखा सकते हो, जहाँ पे आप अपने skills बता सकते हो, and then people approach you and they ask you to do that work and you can earn money if you have good rating, if you have a proper business setup. This is something you can explore as well. Not only this, it's just not limited to this. If you are a decent photographer or a videographer, or maybe if you have a good hold on a particular subject, आप वो सारे skills बाकियों को दे सकते हो and you can charge money on it. It's really easy. All you have to know is identify your skill and then go to these freelancing websites or find clients through your friends or through anyone and just tell them that, hey, I will provide work to you, ये वाला specific job, and in turn charge money. Initially थोड़ा slow होगा, but once you are out there, once your name is out there in the market, it becomes super easy. Before moving on, I want to tell you that this may work for you or this might not work for you. These are my tips to you guys. It's not a hardcore plan. At the end, आपको ही hard work करना पड़ेगा. Just to let you know. Have a website. This is where I landed after a couple of months, which is having a website. I have a blog called nomlers.com. Even you can have a blog. It is very easy. There is WordPress, or you can set up your own website. And over there, you can do so much on a blog. There is affiliate marketing. You can sell your products. You can provide consulting services. You can start your e-products. There is so much that you can do on a blog. Over time, हमारा DA 33 हो गया था, and our blog reach tripled. So you have to learn about SEO and everything and get your blog to the next level because it's a really competitive market. सबका blog है, सबका website है. It's not easy, but having a blog or a website can be something that you can look into. Build an online empire. This is the stage where I am right now. I have a community. I have 100k on Instagram and 20k on YouTube. With you beautiful people as my community who are watching this video, thank you so much. And this is how I majorly earn right now. Content creation, and this is again where I fall into. So I create content for brands on my Instagram, blog and YouTube channels, and that is how I earn money through those brands. और photography, videography इतना hardcore rocket science ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You just need to know a few basics on how to click good photos, basic framing, basic color correction. मेरे को Photoshop नहीं आता, मैं Lightroom में वो C curve use नहीं करती, but you still like my photos. You just need to make sure that your video is not shaky, your voice is audible, and you have a story. This is how you will connect to people, and this is how you will form a community. You cannot be Peter McKinnon or Sam Golder day one से. You have to focus just on the learning curve. Just focus on कि how you can improve yourself day 1 से day 10 पे कितनी improvement आई, and that is it. That is all you need. अगर आपके पास मोबाइल है which can capture decent videos and photos, then you're good to go. You can just start right away. Another thing is just be true to yourself. अगर आप serious person हो, then make serious videos. Don't try to become someone else because you will not be able to relate to people and people will not be able to relate to you. For instance, मुझे English में बात करना पसंद है, a mixture of Hindi and English word because that is how I feel comfortable. ऐसे I can communicate better and I think you guys won't mind that. Few other things that you can look into: managing social media accounts, photography and videography as a profession, being a tour guide. And you need to remember, you won't reach 100k or 1 million in just one day. जो successful YouTubers, Instagrammers हैं, उनको 6-7 साल लगे थे वहाँ पहुँचने में. So just be patient. Coming back to my businesses on how I earn. तो जैसा मैंने पहले बोला था, I have a website, a blog, nomlers.com, जहाँ पे I majorly earn, me and my best friend, it's a shared blog between me and my best friend Rachita Saxena. We earn through Google AdSense, which is basically setting up ads website पे, and affiliate marketing, जो बहुत ही बड़ा stream है to get into, to learn, and I know many people जिनका primary source of income affiliate marketing है if you do it right. We also thought of selling products, ebooks, which is our plan B, but maybe next year. We haven't started working on it because there is so much to do right now. So it took a lot of while to reach to this level, but now brands who believe in my work pay me to promote their product. So there is a lot of sponsorship that come my way through my Instagram channel, tourism boards ke through, brands ke through. If you want to grow on Instagram, my advice to you would be watch a few tutorials on YouTube, on Instagram algorithm, कि कैसे आप framing correct कर सकते हो अपनी photos के लिए, vertical shots upload करने चाहिए instead of horizontal shots, and how you can do basic color corrections and you're good to go. So right now, while I'm making this video, आज मेरे को मेरा first YouTube से पैसे आए हैं मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में. Please clapping वहाँ बैठे बैठे जितने भी लोग हैं, clapping. So it has just started for me, but yes, I have started earning money through YouTube. One is AdSense, another one is brand sponsorship. So I've done both of them. So in YouTube, it is possible again through AdSense and also through brand collaborations. But for that, you need to have a community, a close community, and you guys are my community. Thank you so much. अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो मैं अभी 20K पे नहीं पहुंच पाती. 20K matters a lot to me. And one person especially who supported me in this journey from 1K to 20K is Sakshi. I hope you're watching this. If you're watching this till now, thank you so much. You have been the moral booster for me, my moral support. अगर आपने कमेंट नहीं किए होते मेरे वीडियोस पे तो मैं शायद कब का YouTube गिव अप कर चुकी होती. Thank you so much. There are other streams also जिसको आप देख सकते हो. Patreon, TikTok. TikTok can be an income source, and I have started making TikTok videos, travel videos, not those acting videos. I cannot act. So if you are on TikTok, please follow me. Baki, just follow your curiosity. If you are one of those persons जिसको views नहीं आए but won't give up, जिसको likes नहीं आए but won't give up, and it's okay to work in a flexible environment, and it is okay to work in an uncertain conditions, then you will stay through. Trust me. This field is very uncertain. It does not come with a fixed salary, with fixed working hours, with fixed leaves. It is risky. It will make you anxious, trust me, because I am a very anxious person. मेरे को anxiety attacks आते हैं. And right now lockdown is going on and I'm not able to travel, and I'm a travel blogger. So basically I'm at home and not sure how this year will look like. But following the curiosity and trusting the flexibility and my intuition. And if you are that person, then you can make this happen for yourself. All the best. I hope this video helped. और कोई भी questions है आपको किसी भी point पे, please ask me, please comment. और अगर आपके पास कुछ और ideas हैं how you can set up your online business, comment, tell other people, tell me, ask advices, ask questions. I'll be happy to help. And I will see you in the next video. Also like, share and subscribe.